Friends, today I'm going to show you how to repair a leaking water hose on an LG side-by-side refrigerator or any refrigerator with water dispenser on the door. What's happening, this design, is the water goes from the rear of the refrigerator inside into the filter area. It filtrates the water, and then there is a hose that comes down all the way down to the bottom, and then it goes underneath into this hose with a push connector and up into the door for water dispensing and ice. Well, actually for water dispensing and ice making. So what happens is every time you open this door, it puts strain on the hose and eventually will cut and start leaking. And I've tried to fix it with other methods, but I wasn't able to. I was trying to glue and seal, but nothing was working. After a few days, it would start leaking again. So what I did, I needed to get access to the inside of the door. And by the way, when I asked for help for refrigerator repair, professional repair, they said they couldn't do it. I needed a new door. And I'm like, well, where am I going to find a new door for a 15-year-old refrigerator? So, and you can see here how it was leaking. You can see a little bit of rust on the bottom of the door. So what I needed to do is I needed to get access to the inside of the door. And so what I did is I used my little grinder tool, this tool right here, I use my tool here and I cut a section of the bottom of the door. Now I understand you guys, or some of you guys, are laughing your asses off right now, but let me ask you this. The refrigerator works. To get a new one is $2,000 or more. Everything works in this refrigerator except for the small little leak. So what are you going to do? Well, what I did is I cut this little section. I pulled out carefully all the insulation material, and you can see the repair. It's once you get access to it, it's an easy repair. Okay, so you will need a little bit of extra hose because you need to discard the old one, but you don't even need to buy anything, because in the back of the fridge there's also some slack water hose that they put in there. I don't know why, but there is some extra slack water hose, and you can cut that off and use it in here. Well, I hope this helps with salvaging your refrigerator instead of sending it to the dumpster.